In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Lovable AI to Supabase seamlessly. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open up the Google Chrome browser because that's the best way to access Lovable AI. Make sure your browser is up to date. It can help prevent any unexpected issues from cropping up during this process. Once you have Chrome open, navigate to Lovable AI. When you're in, head straight over to the integrations section. Integrations are a powerful way to extend the capabilities of your tools, and in this case, we're going to focus on connecting Supabase. Supabase is a great backend platform, especially if you're looking for a PostgreSQL database that scales easily. So let's find Supabase from the list of integrations available in Lovable AI. With Supabase selected, you'll need to sign up or log in to your existing Supabase account. New users will find the sign up process straightforward, requiring just a few details before you're in. If you've already got an account, a quick login is all it takes. Making sure your credentials are secure is always a good practice, so don't forget to use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication if possible. Next, we'll create a new project in Supabase. Head over to the project section within Supabase to set this up. If you've never created a project before, don't worry, it's a relatively easy process. Pick a name that is memorable and specific enough so you can identify it later, especially if you plan to handle multiple projects. As soon as your project is ready, you'll get access to your API keys. These keys are essential as they serve as a bridge between Lovable AI and Supabase. Now that you have the API keys, go back to Lovable AI. In the integration settings for Supabase, you'll enter these keys. Make sure to double check the entries for accuracy. API connections are precise, and any small error like a typo could cause the connection to fail. Once you've entered the correct keys, take a moment to save these settings. Saving is crucial, otherwise all your efforts might go to waste. After saving, it's time to test the connection. Running a test will verify that everything is set up correctly and that Lovable AI can now communicate smoothly with Supabase. If the test goes well, congratulations, you're all set up. But if you encounter issues, don't panic. Troubleshooting is next up. A good first step is to check your Supabase project permissions and ensure the network settings are configured correctly. Minor issues like incorrect permissions often lead to connectivity problems, so a thorough check can usually resolve these hiccups. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Lovable AI to Supabase, diving into more powerful data handling capabilities. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!